Hello guys, for my innovation minute I will show how to create animation on Photoshop. First, I created two different buttons here, slide and fade button. The first animation we need to do is to move this cursor to the button. To create that, we have to duplicate this frame by clicking this icon below. Now we have two frames here. On the second frame, we can do all our edits. For example, we need to move this cursor to the button. Now, as you can see, on the frame 1, the cursor is below the button, and on frame 2, the cursor is on the button now. And to create the animation of that, select these both frames and click the twin animation frames below, and set the frames to add to 5, then press OK, and we'll add 5 frames to our timeline. You can notice that it has 1 second delay on each frame. If we play that, it is too slow. To edit that, we have to select these all frames and set it to no delay, and then test it if it is okay. Now that we have that animation, the next animation is to create the sliding effect of this button. Earlier, I create a effect layer, means the sliding effect of the button. To do that, same step that we have created earlier, duplicate this last layer, and on the last layer, last frame, we can do our edits. For example, this layer effect layer, move to the button. So as you can see on the frame 7 and frame 8, it's totally different. Now, to create the animation, we have to select these 7 and 8 frames and click the twin animation frame. We can set this to 5 again, then we can test it if it's okay. Now that we have created that, the next animation we have to do is the fade effect of this button. On the last frame, again we have to duplicate it, then on the 14th frame, move the cursor to the next button, and the effect of this button will be gone. So move it away, then again select the last 2 frames and create twin animation, and set it again to 5. We can test it now. Oops.